Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. And I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. Sorry, I had a nose itch. We've got a new project in April and we've got a new contest. Yes, we do. We're gonna have 30 videos this month, at least. I know, I'm a little scared about it, but we're gonna try to power through them. These are gonna try to be shorter videos, but what we are doing is we are going to do some serious product exploration over the next 20 some days. We are. And then we're gonna put it into a little book. I'm pretty excited about this because there are some products that I've purchased that I haven't really even had a chance to play with, and that is what this is all about. You do not need to have the exact same supplies that I do. That is not a requirement, but the requirement is to open up all of your drawers and to play with the products that you already have. If you don't have 30 different types of art products, that's completely cool too. All you have to do is try it again. If you want to keep up with this daily practice of art, then definitely, if you have watercolors and you have acrylic paints and you only have a couple different things, then just keep using those every day. The key is to practice and to see what we can make that looks really cool. This is just going to be backgrounds. It is. So what have I done? I have my Arteza watercolor paper. Now, we purchased this paper when we were doing the doodle project, and this is an 11 by 14 pad. It is a double-sided professional grade paper. You do not have to use this exact same paper. Use something though that will be able to be friendly with all mediums. That's the one thing. Alcohol ink isn't going to work really great with watercolor paper, but we're going to see what we can do with it because that's what this is all about. We are experimenting and playing and checking it out, right? Now, if we need to take a piece of Yupo paper maybe and glue it over the top of this in order to get a good base for the alcohol ink, that might be the way that we work with this. Not really sure, not really sure. As I was working through this, I went through and did some calculating, and I found out that I could get 4 pieces of paper off of one sheet of paper. 4 pages of my book that we are going to be making. Yes, we are making a book. We're gonna make a book. We're gonna bind it at the end. Ooh. So, I will be figuring out something to put on the backs of these. I might just explore my napkins or different transparencies or things like that, something simple, or maybe some collage. Not really positive yet what's gonna happen on the backs, but on the fronts, we are going to play with all of our different materials that we have. So what I did was I took my handy dandy swoopers, guillotine cutter, definitely highly recommend tool for your toolbox. Be sure to check out the contest rules. I'm gonna put that in here. So what I've done is, I don't know, yep. So you can see that I have listed all of my different products that I have down here at the bottom that I want to play with. So do you have to do one every day? No, do one every other day. Do whatever makes you happy. But you know what I would really love to see? I would really love to see you working along with this and then showing us what you came up with over on Messy Hand Band of Artists page on Facebook. I would love to see what you're making. Say we're using spray ink one day. I want to see what you're doing because it's inspiring for me to see what you make as much as it is for you to see what I'm making. So then what I also did too was I took my corner chomper. I have one from We Are Memory Keepers. All these products are listed, of course, down in the Amazon links. Gonna plop in the contest rules here. Your secret word for today, the first day, is eagle. Okay. So, contest rules will be coming up, and hope you guys are excited. We are going to be adding some good ephemera today, some nice old pages to the box. Every single day I will be adding things from my stash, and I will probably be adding a couple of products that I actually have for sale on my Etsy store or even maybe some jewelry. Guys, so be sure to like, comment, add to a playlist if you can. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to make a list of all of your secret words. All right, there it is. That's your project intro. We'll chat soon. Love you guys. Mwah! I hope you play with me. All right, bye. The one thing that I forgot to say was what size I'm cutting these. This is 5.5 by 7. So we have a little bit of extra width here on our straight ends here, because that's going to be what's going to go into our book binding. So it gives us a little extra space. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to take the back cover to that Arteza watercolor pad, and I'm going to quickly cut out, hopefully. Let's see, 5.5 by 7. So let's give it a little bit extra. Here, we're going to do 5 3/4. Sorry. By, it's at 7. By 7 1/4 for our front cover. And we're going to do a second one. I didn't cut this right. 5 3/4. We've got kind of a raggedy edge now. We're going to have to cover that up with something, aren't we? 5 3/4. Sorry. By 7 1/4. 7 1/4. Dun, dun, dun. So now we have 2 covers for our book that we're going to make. So your stuff does not have to be the exact same size as mine whatsoever. Use what works for you. If you want them smaller, if you want them larger, you know, just do what makes you happy. All right, we'll chat soon.